comment on my post like, gross a furry, bet she ugly under there.
You have never been more wrong in your life.
What the f?
I'm on the outside.
Let's go on YouTube.
Cause some came in the mail today.
Nope.
These nuts.
Let's go on YouTube. Sweet mother Twinkies!
Then you wake up from your sleep.
Wait, what? It was just a dream? God damn it!
Hey guys, check this out! Look what I found!
The fuck you just say to me, bitch?
I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Ow!
I
Ow!
wish that I could be like the cool kids. Business, can I have a photograph to show my friends and angels truly?
People always ask me, hey Fujimaru, what's the best reaction you've ever gotten while in fursuit? When they find out I'm a black guy.
Ha 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 ha!
I have an army. We have a Hulk. I've got a blanket.
And I got a boner.
I just got a text.
Hey, cool cat.
Get out of here!
I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
I swear to fucking God, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh, guess what I found?
And let me tell you, if you're looking to pick up girls, this shirt is quite the pussy magnet.
I hate growing up.
In conclusion, I'm going to be making a bunch of really cool videos, and as I get more influence, I'll try and do my best to be a leader of the internet. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can better accomplish this task. Thank you and have a nice day.